Amelana apha nina masipala. Kwemekwa iofisi le yenu nelihlazo nanti ayifesti rivalwe ngengubo.
You can't ask me about the acts of South Africa because you are not a South African.
I have a right. I'm a refugee here.
Okay, so you can't.
I have a right to ask and do.
Okay.
I respect the law of South Africa, right?
Yeah.
So I have to go by the law instruction.
Okay.
So if law says I must close, I'm gonna close.
Okay.
You are not the law. No, do not. You have turned against us.
What I'm saying mina njengephoyisa semkhuzile ngathi ngicela nina ngithi
don't work by don't break pressing ground battle. I'm fighting this country but support No. You want to kill us? No.
Request permission on
Kimlo, I can do this.
What is this?
No, talk to me. What is this? It's carrot. This is food for our people.
Sekusabalele video ke einkundleni zokuxhumana lapho ke khona bona amaphoyisa ehleli nowokufika kukuhle aqondakali ke la noma uyawabusisa nje ngeziphuzo noma mhlambe abezosebenza
aswarwa bakwalwa njeka kholene nabuwa bathathazela yanu
Defcon amaPP nomkhukhulo iswazi weshangana leZimbabwe shangana le kuponjwa eMozambique.
Yeah, afternoon everybody. I don't know how to feel. Mixed emotions. I just
look at that. At least the ANC has a sense of irony. Their slogan is fixing local government. How'd you like that? A real sense of irony there.
Njoba sibheka okhethweni nje lo hulumeni beyindawo. Ngiyasaba ukuthi ubaba uNkosinathi Nhleko uzophinde futhi ayidayise iMK.
Ngizwe Mkhono istatement sakho sikhiphile emkhulu sinenhlabathi.
There's an issue, anti-corruption, Drugs Trafficking Act.
Even in this time where they don't trust us, you'll find them at the police station. You must understand the desperation to run to somebody that they don't trust because they've got nowhere else to run.
This is Open Up Podcast. Welcome. In this channel, I just thought that it's good that I remind everyone, especially the new ones that comes and join us in the channel. This is where we share a daily update of what is happening here in South Africa. Things that you won't see on the mainstream media. I'm talking about videos that people shoot with their phones and post them on social media and ask us to share them. So this is a compilation of everything that is actually happening here in South Africa. As you know that we have so many things that are happening in South Africa. We have Imadlanga Commission, we have March and March, we have the elections that are around the corner. So I'm here to give you all the updates of actually everything that is taking place here in South Africa. So it's very much important for you to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you share your comment at home so that we understand you at home. What do you think about things that are taking place here in South Africa? Without any waste of time, let's watch.
Sekusabalele video ke einkundleni zokuxhumana lapho ke khona bona amaphoyisa ehleli nowokufika kukuhle aqondakali ke la noma uyawabusisa nje ngeziphuzo noma mhlambe abezosebenza asefica kudekwe itafula noma kanjani, kodwa nje khona kusabalale nje ivideo and uyabona ukuthi ishuthwa yenye inkunzi nje lena kungabe yawa exposer noma kanjani, noma mhlambe iyaphazamiseka bibhizi yenza into zawo kwase kufika abomthetho ke babeke mhlambe sebenza ngalendlela. Wena ubona kanjani kwenzakalani la babezosebenza?
Nomkhukhulo Iswazi wehlangana neZimbabwe, hlangana aliye kuPoncho eMozambique. Lona kube west behlala nezingane zethu, kodwa kudala akavalwa awusuku lokuza sebenze thina woza
vele uJohn something
yebo
lekathumeza abantwana ngama-200
sibona 200 rand seyithanda imali lesilami. Abahambe basitedele basihlulekile sirise yizwe lethu. Uma kukusasebenzanga yizwe lethu sasifuna phela ukusebenza. Like umsebenzi noma singamgaza ama-shop ngeke uvule icontainer la uyivule lapha kodwa uthengele always natshela ukuthi kusho mina sibasihle sematshalini.
Permission on
Kimla, I can do this.
Yeah, chief protection like is the chief.
Yeah, Chalosa.
No, protection order.
Yeah, we run.
You go one year.
Yeah.
1/21 of 2026. But
couple of things. No, couple of things.
Chief, we are not here to fight. I must explain to you what we did.
No, I'm going to Kenya for Len.
Yeah, come go back to me.
Yeah, kids and when. Why is it?
Stop in front of me. So you are not allowed to do that.
You're going to arrest me?
For what?
So why are you telling me not to do that? Keep pointing away, not keep pointing away. No, keep pointing away, not
I'm not here to fight. I'm here to say protection order.
Yeah, exactly. I want you to do your job.
No, don't point me with the thing. Don't point me with the thing. Please, don't do that.
But why must I do that?
Don't point me with the thing.
Why must I not do that, Rabuti?
No, point. You want to point.
No, why must I not do that?
So you're supposed to point me with the thing.
Are you doing your job or
Come on,
no, Kiabutis. Why are you talking like that to me?
You're condemning.
Kiabutis, why are you talking like that to me?
Don't say.
No, say what?
No, if you protection.
Yeah, so that's why I'm saying. No,
don't point me with the thing.
I point to and point them to and then when you don't put why you point to and
Even in this time where they don't trust us, you'll find them at the police station. You must understand the desperation to run to somebody that they don't trust because they've got nowhere else to run. If we treat them with dignity and respect, we will win their trust again. The issue of members sitting in the CSC and not even standing up on their cell phones, eating, doing everything else, and not helping the community stops today. Corruption is the other thing that kills us. We have so many reports of members who are saying they arrested this undocumented person. Just around the corner they stop and he's back on the street. Now, the days when a person in this country, because to be in this country illegal without documents is a crime. The day when our members look at them and see an ATM, a walking ATM, stops today. Because there's no way, colleagues, that we can fight crime. There's no way that we can win the community back to our side. There's no way that they will trust us again if we are not decisively dealing with corruption and with our members who's colluding with criminals. We cannot work with those who are working against us. My first instruction will be to the DPC crime detection. we will resource our anti-corruption unit today. Second instruction, because I got a lot of instructions, I must give some away as well. The second thing is, General Sebola, the DPC for support services. We need to have a very serious and a strong, dedicated team that deals with negative discipline. It is time that we change blue uniforms for orange ones. To those members who's willing to work hard, those people that are dedicated, those people that wear this badge and say, yeah, when I put this badge on, when you wake up in the morning, it's to say, I'm the first servant. For you guys, we'll change this province. To the community outside there, I want to ask you, Retsepeng, trust us. We are going to change this province, but we cannot do it alone. Community participation, active community participation must take place. Those days where police sit on the one side and plan for their crime and not consulting the community stops today. They need to be part of us. We need to listen to them, hear what is their concerns. And then the other thing is, they need to see.
Okay, let's talk about the clip that you have watched, whereby the first clip actually, whereby there's a video of the Somalian man or the Pakistani man that is sitting with the police, and it seems like they are having some drinks. So manje, according to someone that was speaking on the background, we don't understand what is happening there. We can only assume ukuthi it's happening kwenzeka lento sijwayele. I mean, we know our police, they love taking bribes, and the guy actually wanted to record the video and film himself and self himself, showing us that look at you policemen, they are here in my house, we are just having some drinks. Share your comment in the comment section. I don't know what you think about that clip. The second one, the lady also that is telling us a lot of things. Please share your comment about that one as well, and just keep going.
Don't touch me. Do not touch me. Don't you dare. Uncle. There is no cause. Ke le fatshe la ntate mogolo wa ka. No, do not. You have turned against us. You have sold out our family. No. Yes, sir.
Whether we're now run a level or not, or run a level, now the president taking to Melissa, Guy Kamuka. So, after Melissa, and how to get some more about the Melissa, but back out better by any Oscar one team, covered the Naka from doing up. So, MFA, the don't call it on Malata. I can fit some more to Melissa or Reba Baba. Oscar Ena, the motivating a little chocolate. And how can I listen over Tom Kusibua? Can I come on?
I cannot accept that.
No,
I cannot accept that.
I won't come.
We are going to be here the whole day. We are going to be here the whole day. You have been misled. Traditional council. No, don't do that. Wait. Your hands off me. You are going to listen to me, all of you. You are going to listen to me. I don't want we came, we arrived, she was here, she doesn't say anything. Then she went to the president to arrive to then cause chaos. We were here the whole time, she could have come to speak to us, she doesn't do that. You understand? All the time. No. And now we are requesting that we take inside.
Why could be so? We've been writing we've exhausted all corners.
Yes,
the ANC.
yes.
I was talking to Robert Kongwani in presidential office.
Yeah, I'm also in the president's office. I'm not Madam Charlotte. I'm the deputy minister.
Okay. And then the next thing, Rabizo. That is last year June. I came when July. Rabizo, Crimea, Aribiza. With immediate effect, they came. But don't come, cause is saying we've got all the documents.
We are requesting, I hear you.
Yes. And I retrieve a little union building.
We are requesting. We are requesting that we take it inside. That's all we are saying. The president is saying it's here to greet people. He's asking if you can greet everyone and then you take the matter.
Yeah, that's why we are also part of the royal family.
We are saying it.
Yes. This we must be recognized as part of the royal family. We are not just people
No, no one is saying you're not recognized. We are asking, let's take it inside.
Okay, ma'am.
The president asked,
yes.
CC, can I greet everyone? After I've greeted everyone, then we take it inside. That is what we are doing.
Okay, ma'am.
So if you can please speak to her,
no, I will. With due respect, where is she?
Can we please just take it inside?
Where
because
is
now we are here and we just take it inside. That's what we are requesting.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Secretary, we are not just, but
no,
now we want to be on the panel. Royal family.
Amelana hapa nina masipala. Kwemekwa iofisi le yenu nelihlazo nanti ayifesti rivalwe ngengubo. Ibonisa ubunikiniki benu phakathi apho kulo office. You should be ashamed of yourself when a mayor wale dolophu. Uncanyathiselwe amaphephe abortion right in front of your office. That simply means you are so useless. Isitulo sakho sikoyisile mhlekazi okanye mama. You better leave that chair, Dokas. Ngoba nto siyiqondayo abafazi abawufeyili umhlaba siyaqala ubona abafazi abazifeyila zingane ihlelapho nisitsha kamnandi kodwa ilizwe limkile because of your useless government. You should be so ashamed of yourself. Ninanazela isijasi ningena niyaphuma apha kwezi office doing nothing. Nipeya ngeetaxes zethu. Forgetting that you are left only with 2 months. You are left with 2 months into zoba usizovusa abantu bakuthi. Ivire nomkhondo lophukile kakunamhlanje. Our people are so alert. Ezo ngubo nimane nibanika zona nalo malapha line wathatha kwi-foreigners. Bazazithatha bazombatha and vote you out of power. You are so useless. Bekufanele into yobana nixakwa nakuhamba zinhloni. Ndlela le idolophu yenu emdaka ngayo. I-office leli hleli kuyo inikiniki incanyathiselwe into ze-abortion in your presence. That simply shows into yobana noyisiwe. Sizawuzirhulumenta ke ngokusuka ngokubheka phambili because nisezipokothweni zama-foreigner. We know that umasipala akanayo ibudget yengubo namalaphu. Amalaphu nengubo lani ibhanqa ngawo amaxhekwazi niwathatha kwi-foreigners that we are aware of. Phumani kwelo bhunga niyazi into yoba niyagqibelisa ujezo beetroot apha ngoba nikwazi ukuthenga ezindlini zenu uziqonda into yoba ningamaxelegu nivalela abantu ngaphandle efanele uba kanisibona sinyalase esitratweni niyaphuma. We know that uKhrisani wangqashwa ngabanye benu because of nifuna utya imali. Anizuphinda niyenze loo nto. Nigqibelisile unanazeliso nondrokhwe apha.
Biza abafethu ukuthi ke beze ngapha bazosupporta ngoba nani manje nithi nibhekile nje manje ngabheka ku High Street la besamba khona saluni, tuck shop, tailor, ama foreigner wodwa la yabo kakhulu nala ezindlini ke banengi ke la bazifihle ngapha from Mayfair nangapha. So as a South African citizen, a concerned citizen, labantu mele bahambe Immigration Act clear ukuthi these people they must not own any tuck shop whatever intonyane ezincane into ezisele reserved for thina lezo. So ngizocela ukuthi abangapha eBrixton sihlangane sibambisane sokhona ukuthi sikhona ukuza la silandi station commando
ngicela ukulungisa singakaqhubeki ngeke ilunge mawufuna ukuyisebenzisa singakini ngeke izilunge. The reason why nine problem la igoli kakhulu wonke umuntu ufuna uba leader. Problem ileyo la kunini insizwa nomsizwa ikhona ngenani ngaphansi kwayo iyona eprovile ukuthi abantu bofika bayahamba ayikhenye bonke abantu sibalekele angikhulumi ngabe ezinye inhlangano ayikho enye inhlangano ehambisa abantu bofika ngaphezulu kwelokhozi. Abanye abafowethu sibasupportayo lesizwe bayakhuluma ngalezi zinto but they don't physically go there and confront, and if they do bathumela abantu abayizingane abangawazi umthetho abangazi fanele besebenze kanjani befike bexabane nabantu bokufika gcine sekuliwa igcina into isi-wrong bajike beba disown futhi bethi hayi akubabona amalungu ethu laba bawona amalungu ethu. Into ezosiza la insizwa nomsizwa ayibe khona yonke indawo and sibe khona uma wena uzokwenza operation la uyangifonela uyangitshela ngi-activate ama-hostel because ama-hostel anamadoda lapha kunobhuti la yabo ama-hostel anamadoda angithuki yona inhlamba bafowethu lapha kunobhuti kunama-content creator la abantu abafuna ukuhamba phambili nje ingekho into abazoyenza uyabo. So ngilungisani-ke emkhaya wami ngilungisa ukuthi sizosupporta nina njengoba siyila sisuka kwaNongoma asikwazi ukuthi sesikhona bese uthi wena ucela abantu bangakini kuphela shutha sisuke emsaleni baba umhlangano ngene uyabo. Insizwa nomsizwa imele amadoda I don't care ukuthi bakhuthele kanjalo ezingane zakithi ezinhle anginandaba ukuthi ikhuthele kangakanani amadoda azohambisa abantu bokufika akekho omunye umuntu othi oyintombazana othi uzoba khona njengalo nyamazi lo uzoba khona sengimbonile lo ngibone eTukuthele ngabona uzoba khona nalo ufike eTukuthele amanje uzoba khona labo bazoba khona but still kuyofuna sibashilde sibabeke ngemuva ngoba makuphuma inhlamvu lapha ibulala umuntu esifazane sikhona kuyothiwa senzani thina siyini. So ke ngisho ukuthi ke abathandayo siphoqa umuntu thina that's why asina membership team asina membership asina subscription asifuneshi yonke leyo nonsense ngoba awukwazi ufika ukuthi awuyifuni ipolitiki uphinde futhi kwi-organization uphinde usebenzise indlela ipolitika estructurishwe ngakhona. That's a political party phela iyabonakala nje leyo mina ngumdidiyeli yimi ngihola insizwa ngisho ngaba 1 million ngayihola ngedwa kodwa insizwa zizobe ziyokwenza lento efunwa isizwe. Yingakho phela niwabona amakhosi esustainable kangaka ngoba insizwa maziyokwenza into zenzela inkosi. Thina masiyokwenza nje siyokwenza lamakhosi siyokwenzela isizwe sisiza kwawona ama-politicians mashobana sisizwa wona nkosi sisizwa ama-politicians ukuthi awafunda ukuthi abantu bawo abathini. Ngicela ukuthi uma ngabe nenza lento nanguDuma osebenzela ilokhuza uDuma ngisazi shona nami sasebenza ulungile uzonibona uyena ofuna nilayenze naye for ukuthi mina nginisize whether ngikhona noma ngikho. Uyabona amadoda ame lapha leza sigejana nje lesiya khohlwa ibona abantu abazonisiza laba ngoba lezi insizwa zeni ninazo la zivele ziphathele nje induku zemshanelo bajabulele nje ukubona basemashini kunelokhuza and we need to train them because impi iyeza bafowethu niyababona abantu njengoba begoloza impi iyeza njengoba begoloza kanje laba bantu impi sebenayo sebecalculateile baqeda imistake abayenzile abasibalanga thina behawu abasibalanga thina ihlamlile siphuma thina lapha lolu fefe lo insimbi lolu singalushayisa ngesifuba thina lolu fefe ngeze kuthinte nangezandla singayishayisa ngesifuba lento singene ngaphakathi la asidinge grind asidinge lutho lapha imistake abayenza baqala iSouth Africa ngamantombazana bakhuluma namantombazana baba neshow ukuthi vele awu iSouth Africa ime kanje. Manini ngemuva ke ingane zakithi isinike umqondo, isinike support, isinike okhisi, ngizobona into esizoyenza. Uyabona? Lokho. Yeah. So ke ngithi ke mhlobo wami le amaphoyisa ukuthi engathi ayalwa nathi yikho ke mina ngingathandi ukulokhu engage lemhlangano eformal. Ngoba lemhlangano eformal iyabavelela. Iminto esizayo ukuthi sihlanganise senze into. Mase befikile ke bese bethi ke hayi asambe siyohlala. Sesiyohlalela ipoint manje. Ngoba lemhlangano kade yayihlala lemhlangano. Kade yayihlala lemhlangano. Lamaphoyisa lawa angabe ukuthi kurekhodwe a right wona. Kodwa lawa ngabe ukuthi kurekhodwe phakathi kwawo ukhona amaphoyisa agangayo. Uyabona? So ke manje sizochitha isikhathi masikhuluma nabantu, sikhuluma nabo ngento engabathinti. Sisiza bona. Sisiza wona amaphoyisa amavidiyo agcwele lapha ezweni amavidiyo amakorikolo abamba amaphoyisa ngamawashing ebashaya manje yini kusafanele soyicela emaphoyiseni uma ngabe nawe shawa ngeke lisho phela ngeke likhalele phela wena iphoyisa ngeke likhalele wena ngoba lizophoxeka so ngisho ukuthi ke babunyembe ayiqalwe phansi manje ngoba thina samemezela kudala thina ukuthi siyeza la eMFA sesiyezwa sesithi sifuna ukuza la sekuthiwa hayi kune mashe khona hawu ubani osenza imashi sibe simemezele ukuthi siyeza phela thina ngithi asibhali kasiko masiphala thina siyeza nje fike senze imashi uma ususho nje wena uthi liphi la ngale mashi likhona ungayihluphi ngokuya kwamasiphala yimi engizosho ukuthi nginemashe eMFA makusho mina ukuthi nginemashe eMFA igoli lonke lizobuya lize la eMFA amaphoyisa azoyizela wona aweze ukufuna section 4 aweze ukufuna lutho umsebenzi wabo ungani bayahamba beyogada amakwerekwere asuke ubhale nini section 4 amakwerekwere finish nalokho nibe nenkani mani uyazi yeah uzoyithuma uyena uzosiza yini manje baba please nibe u3 nje kodwa nibe u3 enizothatha inamba ikaDuma kodwa ngaphambi umuntu okweyisa la uyazwana yekela ukuza nengqondo yokweyisa sanikeza umhla ka30 June nenzani okwamanje la nenzani la ningaqali iSouth Africa ngabafafazi niyezwa yini yithi amadoda yithi abala susalento le kubandawonye usayini lo wasisi usayini kabalo lo wena uwabekisa amakelekani no sisi ngeke thina sithi abantu bokufika bahambe wena ubalisane nabo angilwi nawe ingane yakithi yazi ingane yakithi angilwi nawe kodwa sikwazi ukuthi ziphi insizwa wena unalutho la wena unento lekini wena awunalutho la phakathi ngizobonana ukuthi ngibeke ndawonye.
Okay, let's talk about the clip Leaga President Ramaphosa and the woman. As I've said in the beginning of this video, that the elections are around the corner, so you'll see a lot of these activities whereby our politicians, they go out there, they are everywhere this time around because they want us to vote for them. So in this clip, as you have seen now, please share your comment and share what we are talking about. I just love the fact that the woman didn't just take things as if this is a president. She just spoke the way she wanted, and then if you watch the clip, you'll understand that she just spoke from the heart because of they tried to calm it down. They tried to stop her, those women that are with Ramaphosa, but she just kept on going. Share your comment in the comment section and let's keep going.
Yebo, niyaphela. Niyazi ukuthi kufanele nivale namhlanje khulume nani izolo, khulume nengane lila izolo. Tomato, alo. Agenime bafowethu anini. Because you can't own a sponsor shop in South Africa. By law, you can't own a sponsor shop.
By law?
By law, you can't. Constitutionally, you can't.
What act?
Do you want to challenge me?
No, I don't want to challenge you.
Yeah.
I'm asking.
So please, why? Unless you want to do what you do.
No, I don't want to do anything.
You want to do what you do.
I have a question for you.
Yeah. Do you know South African acts?
I know some of them.
Which one do you know?
I don't want to explain.
Yeah. So you can't ask me as a South African. That's disrespect. You can't ask me.
I didn't
No, I'm telling you, you can't ask me about my South African constitution. You can't ask me about my acts, because this is my country. It's not your country. You can't. Yeah. So you can't. It's this. I'm telling you. I'm not fighting with you. I'm telling you nicely. You can't ask me about the acts of South Africa because you are not a South African.
I have a right. I'm a refugee here.
Okay, so you can't.
I have a right to ask and do.
Okay.
I respect the law of South Africa, right?
Yeah.
So I have to go by the law instruction.
Okay.
So if law says I must close, I'm gonna close. Okay. You are not the law, right?
Who?
You.
I'm not the law.
Yeah.
I'm from here, Nongoma. Where are you from?
You are from Nongoma, but you are not from government or.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My brother, don't do what you are doing.
I'm not doing anything.
Hello.
Right?
Hello. Don't do.
Angilo now.
No, don't
I
do.
can't speak Zulu.
Don't do what you are doing.
I'm not doing anything.
I'm
wrong.
telling you, you can't own a spaza shop, and if you don't know that, go and ask your embassy.
If government says I must close the.
I pay tax. I pay tax.
I pay also. Tax.
I pay tax.
All invoices. I can't.
I pay. No, I'm not talking about invoices. I'm paying tax.
I'm paying
tax as a South African. So you want to push this?
No, I don't want to push this.
Close this shop.
Why?
Because I'm saying that.
Why should I
close the shop? Because I'm saying that. Tell them come off store. No. 2 months. 2 months. Tell them come store. Please. Please. What's up? What's up? Zinabogolozela abantu bese nifuna ukuzogolozela mina. Angifani nabanye abantu mina.
Abakwa.
Hawu, nangihlolo yami.
Bacabanga ukuthi nabo wawela ngengwe.
Bafo. Come on, valanda isitolo please. Otherwise, I don't want to. You see, if I lock this shop, and then you lose something in the shop, they will say I took it. That's why I'm saying you must close the shop. Because you put your own locks and everything. Please close the shop. Whoever to baggage, I'm going to sue with this store. I'm going to go to the Ranje. Now then, you need to buy on a letter. Whoever, Bob, who in a man in there? No, about that.
Oh, hayi.
Abantu sebebazokhothela kuzakuzakuziona umthetho. Sibe singemododa endawo. Bayawazi bona umthetho ukuthi uthini. Wena nomshini umuntu imali zethu akumele nawe embalani netho le balani. Yazi.
Hey, buka ke bantu la dukhona
because abanye abantu abazofika la abezokhuluma nje ngani phela ngibhala lento wensizwa musana ukuzeya ningamadoda la musana ukuzeya abantu bakini wena nayizolo njalo ukuthuka abantu zokushaya ke manje wena uyazwana wena ungwala kwanongoma uyazi ngizokushaya nje engizoyenza kuwena ngizokushaya awukwazi ukuthuka abantu bakini wena uyisilima kanti hawu nayizolo ubudelela abantu bakini namanje udelela abantu bani bazokwenzana ubheke ngakuphi umuswa kuba laba abantu babe ngahle manje behamba usale nabantu bakini nje ubathuka nje akusibo dadewenu laba akubona odadewenu ngizokusakaza ngempama mina moyisilima ngikutshela hawu vala lento uphume la okokuqala bakusebenzisa ugqoko ophathi even by Labor Relations Act you can't work like this. Fanele ngabe une-uniform unayo yonke into ukhokhelwa nge-payslip ukwazi na uhamba uyothatha i-medical aid ukwazi ukubhekelela iy'ngane zakho uzothuka abantu bakini ekubeni kuwena osenkingeni lapha uboni vala nento yazi ukuthi ngizothatha umshini ngishisele lento lena ngizothatha umshini ngishisele lento and don't open this door. You must ask the other guys for South African acts. You mustn't ask me. I'm not like the other guys. I'm the man. I'm umdidiyeli walelizwe mina. Yes. So you don't do that to me. You can do to all these drunkards and all these people who play these games. I don't play games. I came here to you with the respect. South Africa, you can't own a sponsor shop. And if you think you can push it, you can push it. Then we'll talk. That's from this area was already in the shop. You know. We have another food case number, iphoyisa la ekwadlongula ingane kulesi sitolo lesi yala kwaNongoma ihlengulwa yinja ngicabanga ukuthi ngizoshintsha yini
ngizwe emkhono istatement sakho sikhiphile emkhulu sinenhlabathi emva kokuthi imash and mash ithe iyakumisa khipha istatement esinenhlabathi ufaka inhlabathi ephalishin lethu mangithi ephalishin lethu ngisho mina njengemash and mash engiyithatha njengeparish lami ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi abantu bokufika mase behambile ngokwazi nami ukudla la engidla khona angizofana nawe odla abantu bokufika bengakahambi emva kwalokho bese uthi ngeke kuze kutelekiwe uwaya uyayizwa le nto angilona ixoki njengawe angilona iphixi njengawe angikakazoyeka futhi ukumasha into engiyifunayo ungakayitholi ngiyazazi mina ukuthi nengifunani so wena mabe ubona ukuthi isisu sakho sesigcwele noma amaphakethe akho asegcwele agcwele imali zamaPakistan lezi eyinamabhadi ezokwenza ukuthi mase iphelile abantu bakujikele esiswini njengotshwala ungasidakelwa ke emkhulu wethu wisitshela ukuthi wena ngeke uzwe umashe kuze kuyothi igogo wena usuyitholile into oyifunayo obukade uyimashela thine bese kumashela akakenzeki asikakakutholi so ungasidakelwa ke emkhulu nalo mfana wakho lona ongafuni ukugezwa uhambe kushutha nje kushutha imsangano nalesi sidudlo obuhamba naso kanye nalelo khuzana nalenkosi yenu le enithi yayifihliwe ningazi ukuthi yayifihlela umsangano yini yayifihlela ukunuka yini yabo so nje ungasidakelwa nje ngizwe vethu siyiSouth Africa makuthi futhi iSouth Africa ingeni leyo nto mina nje ukangidakelwa vele mina kade nje vethu ngakubona ngezwe wena likho iqembu ongakazi ube yilona ufika uwone ngalani uxolise wone ngalani uxolise wone ngalani uxolise manje ufike egcineni ke nidla imali zamaPakistani nidla imali zamakwerekwere imali ezigcwele amademoni imali ezithakathiwe yabo usazoshuba kusazokonakala nale nkosi le kulandelayo isithingithingi lesi singazi fanele sishone ngakubo ubaleka ngalana koJesita manje nuza ngala ufundile uJesita ngintshele abafana bami ufunde kunanonke uJesita nini nitshela ukuthi nifuna ukufika niphathe kwemashini masha nazi lutho anazi fuck all einkingeni benizongena kuzona uJesita ubezonisiza kuzona lezo inkinga yabo isikhathi somuthi asekho manje mawuthi niyabuka kwamuthi wenu uyaphasha futhi niuphashisa nina nithathe imali zamaPakistan nithathe imali zamaSulumane yabo bazonijikela abantu mase benijikela bese ube ngathi niyazonda yabo so nje bafethu kulungile akhwebeshe.
Okay, I want to talk about the clip Yaga Phakela Mthakathi, the one that we just watched now and the one before that. You can see what these people are doing in March and March is not an easy job. As you have watched the clip where that Somalian guy is telling Phakela Mthakathi no, he's a refugee, he has a right to also ask questions, and he's telling Phakela Mthakathi that he's not the law. If the police would to come to him and ask him to close, he would close the shop, but he won't be told by Phakela Mthakathi. So share your comment in the comment section. This is what I always talk about. This is the problem that we have in South Africa, that it's not easy to win this war, even though March and March has started it and then they are still busy with it. But these people, now it seems like they've told themselves that they're not gonna go anywhere, no matter what. Because if you remember the video that I've been posting, there's a clip whereby one of the Somalian was telling these marchers on the camera that, yeah, I will die here. I will die, I won't go anywhere, So it seems like they've decided that, no, we're not gonna allow these guys, we're not gonna be bullied, we're not gonna be bullied about these guys. If that guy has was speaking to Phakela Mthakathi the way he was speaking, because He knows him. Everyone knows him by now in South Africa. They actually know him. This boy is trying to show Pelumsat physical that is not intimidated. When you are putting it in a simple terms, share your comment in the comment section and let's keep going.
Even tomorrow they're gonna say tomorrow. After tomorrow they're gonna say tomorrow. They're not ready to leave. But now they are not ready to leave.
Go. If you go for the Bangtan, if you go for the Bangtan, when I'm paid, it's a benzine and a voice and a match. I'm not saying to the inside. You always put your sleep and message to your ears and I'm not getting it. No, you pick on this and I answer what this is necessarily said. Umthetho wakho babumhlangu uyasayidana ufika kancane umthetho wakho but umthetho wakho awuhambi ne-constitution yase-South Africa. Constitution yase-South Africa awuhambi nayo umthetho wakho. You have your own law abesiphoyiseni asazi ukuthi usebenzisa kanjani. But why? Okay, ngabesayidini lethu uthi umphakathi awubadingi and kade zifundele umthetho ukuthi wena uthini-ke nje umthetho ufuna ukuvikele wonke umuntu.
Into elula ngijoba nizamanje bayavala manje bazofika bazothatha iy'mpahla zabo.
Abadingi from June.
We want one thing. We are asking for one thing. When they are finished, when the others are not to go, the things we're asking you to stop. Now with them, they are taking their stuff back. That's the only thing we're asking. Back and front, they are asking. They're not ready. They can't leave. They are not leaving.
Into evolile-ke akababophi manje bona benalelo right noma leyo privilege bane-privilege njengabo thina yabona njengabo what I'm saying mina njengephoyisa sengikhuzile ngathi ngicela nima ngithi
nabo ngabakhuza kuthiwa hambani.
Okay, no. Imake baba sicela okay. Kusho ukuthi nabo sicela ubatshele ukuthi abahambe.
Sesokubona bonke abantu.
Sicela ubatshele ukuthi abahambe ukuze sizophuma si-50-50 la. Uyasitshela ukuthi asiyeke. Bayitshela ukuthi abahambe. Siphume nathi bahambe. Mafowethu. Mina ngisebenza ngedocument. Idocument ethimba. Uma ngabe enephepha lokuthi abe South Africa. Kufanele ngiyenze. Ngizophinda ngifunde sisela sisebenze kawo ngoba sithi thina ama-South African we don't need them. Ngithike mina kunesimo sokulimala kwempahla right now. Ebolile le mpahla abantu bakithi bayithengisela abadingi bakhe ebolile. Mfowethu ulokhu njani? One, uma ngabe u-illegal ezweni, ngicela ukuchaza lokhu kucaca. If you are illegal ezweni, we are responsible as South African police. Wena muye Mozambique wena ufike wenze njani ba? eMozambique ngiqala ukukhokha isimokolo ngingene egate ngize ngiphume. Isimokolo? Ngize ngiphume. For nothing. Yes. But here
ngifuna ukuza la ukuthi angithi uyakhokha naseMozambique ingakho namaphoyisa ethatha imali kumazayizayo ukuthi akwazi ukuqhubeka namhlanje bayasho angisho ukuthi yes I know ngeke ngizokwazi
phela bangabe ukhuluma ngephoyisa I'm also there
no siyakwazi ukuthi wena ukhokheliwe kodwa enforce kubona bonke namuhla baba amaphoyisa afikile azothatha kwabanye uzoba protect
amaphoyisa
yebo namhlanje i-community kadishi bafikile namhlanje bazothatha
ngeke bekhona evidence baba
amaningi ama-evidence wahambisa
sebenza ngayo nje kodwa angithandi le yenziwa yile ndoda
sesihambisa kakhulu
ireport yethu eyabaphathile
kulungile kodwa mina akufanele phela ukuthi ungifake esiteli yokhundaneni esithombeni sakho kungavumanga mina ngine-right nobuso bami
iphoyisa ne-right izayizane right umuntu ose-South Africa kana-right abantu abanama-right iphoyisa izayizayo umuntu umhlaba ose-South Africa
ngisho mina ukuthi I'm not comfortable with this yes I'm not comfortable.
Thina njengamanje singekho comfortable ngale ukuthi ufuna ukusiqalisa namazayiza ngenkani.
Okay. Ngicela ukubuza ke.
Ukube lamazayiza akasebe ngabe siyayithemba into nisho kuba sephumile.
One question.
Ukuthi if you guys are law abiding, you're law enforcing. Awu enforce kubona bonke abantu.
Kuphuka umthetho la. Njengamanje siyabophana.
Umthetho kanjani?
For the last time ngithe mina if une-asylum yokuba se-South Africa you must be in South Africa, you must be protected
100% baba siyabona.
yes if une-business South Africa elingekho emthethweni sinaye ubusiness okamasipala he is busy doing that right now.
Uzofika nini sine-time frame nathi.
No. Okay. What I'm trying to say is mina i-permit yokudayisa stall I don't even know how does it look like.
Okay.
You understand? Umasipala owa-issuishayo not me. Ngalele phela but ukuthi u-operate without a license akufoli kwi-mandate yami as iphoyisa. You understand? Umasipala o-enforcer those laws. Those are bylaws akamasipala. So what I'm saying mina ngila njengephoyisa we are South Africans. Ngicela sihloniphane.
Siyakuhlonipha baba, siyakuhlonipha kakhulu.
As much as ningihlonipha ukube kuthiwa besilalelana mhlawumbe ngabe sesikwelinye izinga manje but izinto ziyaphuma izolo siyikhiphile lapha zalasho traffic. What happened?
Okay baba
kwenzekeni
siyayibona into eyenzeka izolo futhi ayisiyasijabulisa into eyenzeka izolo baba ngobani kade kuphindaphindwa kutshelwa
namhlanje futhi sizophinda we are repeating the same process.
But fanele bafunde baba ngoba nina you are not enforcing the law.
No,
you guys are not you are not enforcing the law.
Siswami, these people banama visa okuba se-South Africa.
Okuba se-South Africa, not only business.
That is only where I feature. If you are an illegal immigrant in the country, then I come on board as the police. But if you are having a shop, I don't even know what does the business license look like. Angiyazi nokuthi njani. If that is the case, why can't you let Usotobe call business licensing and come and deal with this thing?
We've been saying baba sekuphela inyanga engaki sicela ukuthi sicela labantu bahambe emhlabeni wethu ngoba basidayisela izinto ezibolile kodwa
umphakathi uronge yini baba umuthi abantu awubadinga endaweni umphakathi uronge yini khona icalo lenza ngokuthatha abantu awubadinga endaweni baba
niyazi ukuthi inkinga ikuphi yabona masebenzisa igama lomphakathi li broad kakhulu and makungase kuthiwa siyalichaza ukuthi masikhuluma ngomphakathi sikhuluma ngani nobani, then we are out. We are totally lost because umphakathi nathi mina ngingayiphinda futhi ngisho I did say it the other time. There are people who are living here. You understand? Masikhuluma ngomphakathi angithi. Then uma ngabe kuzosuka umuntu eSoweto ezela ayifika ayibize ngomphakathi wala. Is that correct?
Umphakathi osenani? Umphakathi osenani? Akawona umphakathi osenani?
Uyiwona.
Manje
but la sikwenye indawo la.
Mina wasemaxhobeni lapho hlala u-anti wami okusho ukuthi ngumphakathi wala.
Okay,
ngingambiza namanje azoyiveza laba.
Kulungile u-anti wakho ungambiza
okusho ukuthi ngumphakathi wala.
Ngiyaphinda futhi please ngicela batshene bayeke lento abayenzayo.
Imani kancane siya imani kancane
isizwe nathi ngelinye ilanga bafuthi ke nikuthathe
sizothatha baba but indawo esikuyona manje iqhele kakhulu lento esikukhulumayo.
Amalista lezitho siwaye semaphoyiseni bafuthi nani mfowethu
i-list oyilethe ephoyiseni uzothi isitolo asikho license. Business license ube lapho Thursday ubela last week almost the whole week ubela siyabavalisa bayavula fine but business license kuyi-initiative yakho. Uma ngabe sekufika la kuthe khona we have done all we can do ababoshwe manje kusho business license we will do that. That is why ngithi mina.
There's a particular clip that I forgot to comment about. The white policeman, when I found this clip, I found it on Facebook. It's like he's from Limpopo, the one that spoke in the first 3, if not 4 clips that I've played in the beginning of this video. That policeman, I think, is a kind of a policeman that we all been looking for. I read the comments that I found on Facebook when I was, before I downloaded the video. Every comment were very impressed about that policeman, that white man that was saying, we know that the communities doesn't trust us anymore. The communities doesn't trust the police anymore. But for the fact that they still come to our police station, report their cases to us, even though they don't trust us, it means that they've got nowhere to go. So he was just encouraging the other policemen. And also I had another clip before where he was telling them that if you find you doing anything wrong, we'll change you from a police uniform to a orange uniform, meaning if you find any police committing crime, we'll arrest you straight away, we'll put you in jail, we'll throw you in jail. So I forgot to comment about it, about that clip in the beginning of this video. So I'm speaking about it right now. If you have watched or you still remember that clip, or you're still watching this video, this part of it, please share a comment about it as well, and let's keep going.
No, aspect angithi until each one operation.
Yeah.
You need to give us a directive.
The date, and I'll call you about the date after this meeting because I must get
for the joint operation.
For the joint operation around Hillbrow, not other station around Hillbrow.
So that joint operation, that means it's going to work towards item number 2, drug enforcement prohibition. And then there's an issue, the anti-corruption, Guyo Drugs Trafficking Act, which is now by part.
All these things are going to be part of
So
this.
now, kuna le duty compliance in terms of section 13.4 and 13.2. Where we are appealing to your police to act ngendlela abaqashwe ngayo ukwenza umsebenzi wabo. So now we are saying ukuthi because there will be a joint operation, can the police start now to work with the communities as per the item yokugcina i-community partnership? I think leyo kuyomele leyo singayibamba before even calling other department. Let the communities be there now. Leo ngayenza and separate before other department.
Yeah.
So that there must be a move. Because the communities here letter more of information to say this is the place with your current police that we have even before, because I believe they've got the right as police officer to act, implementing a Criminal Procedure Act. Okay.
Yeah, that's
yes. I think now what I'm saying is that the community now, we need to have a maybe what you say, let the community leaders and few of community members to come. One pending the actual operational meeting. Because remember the main meeting Yalama department is for operation, nothing else. But for layer communities to start to show now the police station, Brigadier and the police of this Hillbrow, they are willing to work with the communities moving forward. Then the communities come and assist. What can you do? They become volunteer. You understand? Because as we speak again, that we spoke about the volunteers who are foreign nationals here. They are CPF, if not mistaken, the chairperson is from Zimbabwe. So we need to deal with those things. The communities must be there now. Apart from that initial operation where we're dealing to clean it out. So I think if ever citizens of Ivala, what I can say is that you are approving to all of us to say you are going to work together with the community in order to assist to combat crime as a Tropeni, and in all matters that's being raised with memorandum, with you contacting other departments, as he said, that you'll bring other departments for a joint operation. Yes, and then the community leaders who are here, the Dunas and everybody will be part of witnessing that operation that is happening.
Yeah, afternoon everybody. I don't know how to feel, mixed emotions. I'm sitting outside the chambers of the Pan-African Parliament, and the main discussion that was had before I sat here, they were having a motion on the escalating Afrophobic attacks against African compatriots in the Republic of South Africa. And I'm thinking, okay, now, different leaders, or all the leaders from the African state are here, right? And I sat there and I cringed. Why am I cringing? Because leader after leader, most of them when they stand up, there's one leader, for example, this leader from Nigeria, I won't mention people's names, this leader from Nigeria, he's representing Nigeria, he says, he stands up, he says, when he arrived in South Africa, within 48 hours of him being here, he witnessed 2 fellow Nigerians being unalived by South African police. And he says Nigeria needs to be compensated for the loss of lives of the Nigerians that were unalived by South African police. And I'm thinking, when did South African police unalive Nigerians? Like, when? In my head, I can only remember that I think in Cape Town, when they were raiding a house, that Nigerian guy, I think they said he overdosed on his own powder, and that was the result of his going. But when the South African police unalived Nigerians, then he went on to further to say that South Africa is the last hope for Africa, and what South Africa is doing is wrong. And I'm thinking, what? Then another leader stands up and says, South Africans are mentally not okay. Since they have been traumatized by apartheid, Africans need to have mercy and understand that South Africans are dealing with a lot mentally, because apparently the backlash of apartheid is only hitting us now. My anger is boiling.
Every I have work. I said everybody's scared of you. That's why I want to come and see you. Let's call him myself. It's up to you. Come. Let's go. Don't smoke, I don't break the ground battery. I'm fighting for this country. I'm supporting the
If you managed to watch this video up until where we are, thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you like this video, you subscribe to this channel so that each and every time when I bring you videos like this one, they come to you as a notification. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time with another video. Thanks. Bye.